we'll guide you through how to moving text in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion and waiting for the app to load completely. Once it is ready, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Once the project is open, press the plus button in the bottom right corner. From the available options, select Text to add a text layer to your project. After the text box appears, type your desired text into it. When the text has been entered, set the alignment according to your needs. Then go to the font section and choose a font that you like. After selecting a font, adjust the size of the text box so your text is displayed properly. Next, go to the color option and choose the color that you want to use for your text. Once the text appearance is ready, you can begin creating the movement animation. To make the text move, go to the Transform option. Use the transform controls to shift the text to the position where you want it to appear on the screen. If you want to create animated movement, turn on the keyframe option. After enabling keyframes, adjust the position of the text to where you want the animation to start and create the first keyframe. This first keyframe will act as the starting point of the movement. Next, move forward a few frames on the timeline. Create another keyframe and drag the text back to its original position. This second keyframe becomes the ending point of the movement animation. As the playhead moves between the two keyframes, Alight Motion automatically animates the text from the first position to the second position to make the animation look smoother or more dynamic. Go to the curve section. Adjust the curve according to your preference. Different curve shapes can change the speed and feel of the movement, making it appear softer, faster, or more dramatic. Continue adjusting the curve until the motion looks the way you want. After setting everything up, you have successfully created moving text in Alight Motion.